Introducing the all-new T50 cleaning tool system. With the T50 3-roll mill cleaning system, cleaning your 3-roll mill has never been easier. This cleaning tool can be used with stainless steel or ceramic rollers. Simply remove the T50 apron and apply water to the underside of the cleaning tool. Place the cleaning tool directly onto the rollers. Make sure the mill is set to the lowest speed and the gap setting is set to the widest. Additional water may be added during the cleaning process at any time. Just add water into the openings on top of the cleaning tool.